Hey, what's going on, guys? Well, okay. But, like, I would like to give a shout out to my bros. Well, not my bros. I just now met them on Minecraft, but Ren and X Lola X. Let me see if they're still here. And let me pause the video so you guys cannot see my password. And that was X Lola X right there. Alright, pause. Alright, guys, I'm back. And let me see if I can find Lola. Alright. So, where is Lola? I'm pretty sure I can find Ren. Oh, X Lola. Lola. That's X Lola right there. Where did she go? Oh, she's up here. Well, that's her right there. Let me see if I can get her attention. Lola. Oh my gosh. Do not feel like doing parkour. Ugh. If only she knew I was recording. Lola. Recording. Yeah, I just made this video to give a shout out to Ren and X Lola X. And yeah. These are gonna be my best friends. Giving a shout out to X X and Ren. Alright. Alright, Lola. I would like to give a shout out to Lola and Ren. I can't find Ren, but yeah. But yeah. Where is Ren? Where is Ren? If I can find him. Where is that guy? Where the heck is Ren? Alright, Ren. I can't find you, so I guess your face is not gonna be in the video, but wait, is that Ren? Nope. But at least you got a shout out. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later.